Hi.
Hi.
Yay! We have to do one thing real quick with her gloves, okay?
Okay.
How they get to when they want to connect. So, Alexa, sit up. Let's calibrate. Let's switch glove. Do you want to calibrate first? Calibration. Okay, so we're going to calibrate the gloves. We'll show her how we do it together. Show her. Open, open, ready, one. Here we go. Close, close. Make a fist, close. Open slowly, slowly, slowly. Relax it, straight. Hold it, hold it. Again, make a fist. Open, open, slowly. Very good. Make a fist. Open, open, slowly, slowly. Hold it. Very good. Okay, now move them up and down. In and out. Now move them. Beautiful, beautiful. So she just calibrated the sensors in here to her hand. Happen. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so now we're gonna train the gloves, her gloves. Mine are trained. Yeah. So Alexis, if you remember with the last time we did this, I've done it, I'm doing it differently now. So let's try it. I think you will like this training better. It's easier. Instead of moving your hand around, I'm gonna have you make one hand shape right there. So like A with your left hand first. Left hand, other left. Just hold it up right there. A. Good. H. H. Is that a really good H? H. One. Flat hand. And flat hand. No, no, no. That's an S. That's it. No, no. Bend. Bend. C hand neutral. Mean C hand. Very good. Let's save that. Now you're gonna test it. So, do you have A? Let me see A. Let me see H. I know it's not H. Let me see H. Duh. Let me see one. Why are they connected? Flat hand.
Hi.
Sorry. Sorry.
Actually, this is fascinating to me. Don't be sorry.
It is? Oh, okay. All of these are set to Kelly's, even though I brought them over for Alexis's.
Stop, Bunny.
That's exactly how I feel at this moment because I brought them over for you. It says Alexis, and it connected them to mine instead of yours. Luckily, I can fix that momentarily, and Margaret keeps saying it's fascinating, so we're just going to roll with that.
Good.
Hi.
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 Hi. How are you?
Good.
Good? Me too. I like your gloves. Do you like them? Can you tell me why? Tell me, why do you like your gloves? Because they're pretty?
Mm-hmm. 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 Mm-hmm.
Light up. Are you tired? You're just resting? Or you want to show me the top of your head? Your hair looks pretty.
Oop, I'm not interpreting.
I do know, thank you.
Okay, good.
You're welcome. Is it good to see me? Can you see me? Where? Yes, that's where you are too. You're on my computer. You are on my computer. I can see you.
Do you know what she's telling me?
Yeah, this is between us, Angie. You stay away.
She's signing, excuse me, but she needs me to tell you. She is telling me, excuse me, Mom.
You're welcome. What does that mean? What's the, oh, you can't see.
Oh, she wants to hug you.
I want to hug you.
Okay. So now then what we're doing, I got to set up her postures because I didn't bring them over. This is a one-time thing. AH1. A H.
I can't believe I haven't noticed this before, but you two look so much alike.
What we do?
We do.
Whoa!
Yes.
She says we look alike.
Alexis, you look just like your mom.
What do you think of that? What do you think of that? Is that a good thing? Do you love? I don't know where it is. I gotta set it better. I was gonna say, do you love that? A. There you go. A. Okay, we are ready. I haven't muted everything. What did I say we were going to do now? We're ready to, an hour later, we're ready to talk to you.
31 minutes.
Hmm?
31 minutes and 51 seconds.
But who's counting? Okay, I have one of my blocks plugged in, but that just doesn't matter. Now I have, is that not echoing for you, Margaret?
Is that not what?
Okay, I have one of my blocks plugged in, but that just doesn't matter. Now I have, is that not echoing for you, Margaret?
Is that not what?
Is it echoing for you?
Just a teeny bit.